Hi, Hillsboro neighbors. I'm City Councilor Rick Van Beveren here at my restaurant. I want all small businesses to know about the emergency grant funding the City of Hillsboro is making available. You can get details on the city website and apply for up to $3,000 on Tuesday, April 7th. Because I'm on the City Council, I will not be applying, but I want you to know about this. We know that many of you are hurting, and we're going to help as many people as possible. Together, we will get through this. Thank you.